My name is Dr. Mahabuba Akhtar. I was a practicing physician in Bangladesh. I came to US in 1995. Currently, I am working as a research coordinator at University of Virginia. Cooking is my passion. With help of my son and a friend, I started teaching how to cook Bengali food in Charlottesville, Virginia. Some year back, I noticed people around here are interested in foreign spices. However, they didn't have any idea how to use them. So I started cooking classes and introduced spices from Bengal and delicious food that Bengali people cook. Recently, due to coronavirus pandemic, people really needed to learn how to cook at home as restaurants are closed. A friend also suggested me to do online cooking class. Here I am. Let's begin. Welcome to our Bengali Indian cooking class. Today our theme is jackfruit. Jackfruit, you know, it's very popular, actually national fruit of Bangladesh. Sometimes small size, sometimes bigger size. Bigger could be length of half of a man, like 3 feet 2. So today we are making one is appetizer, that is a turnover of jackfruit. It tastes like vegan and vegetarian people can use that as a meat substitute. Another I'm making with coconut and split chickpea. It is curry kind of. So I added all the spices and made it. Hope you'll enjoy. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make jackfruit turnover. For jackfruit turnover, we need ingredients. First of all, we need the jackfruit. This is our jackfruit. You can get from Asian store, canned jackfruit. This is tropical country food, so sometimes we get in the grocery store. This is our jackfruit, and then pesto sheet. You might get in Kroger or different grocery store. Pesto sheet, and then this is our ghee. Ghee is nothing else but clarified butter, but if you don't get ghee, you can use butter instead of ghee. Okay, and this is onion, medium size onion I chopped finely, and cooking oil. Okay, now I'm going to introduce the spices that we need for our jackfruit turnover. So this is our roasted garlic. I just dry roasted and peeled it. It's 6 cloves, and there are 8 parts of cardamom. I'm going to crush it with pestle and mortar. And this is our ginger, chopped ginger. Chopped ginger, it's 1 teaspoon, and half teaspoon of ground red chili. And this is 1 green chili. I'm going to chop it. Okay, next other spices that we need for our jackfruit turnover. This is our mutton biryani masala. It is a combination of different spices. We can get ready in a package like this. And although it's written mutton biryani masala, there is no link with any mutton or any animal. It's combination of spices, but this is rich, like all kinds of Indian spices are there. Okay, salt to taste. This is salt to taste, and this is our cumin. Cumin, ground cumin, 1 teaspoon. I'm going to use it. And this is turmeric. It's like half teaspoon I'm using. And this is our black ground pepper. That's 1 teaspoon I'm using. And this is 1 teaspoon. I'm going to sprinkle nigella. This is our jackfruit out of the can. This is already peeled and preservative. I drained it. Now I'm going to show you how to chop. And also jackfruit, this is the young one and green. And when it's ripe, it's become fruit and sweetish. But this we can eat as vegetable. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to chop jackfruit. Let's see. these are the pieces. So for jackfruit turnover, I'm going to slice like that, just fine. Just finely chopped. It's so very soft, so it's not hard to do it. Okay. So after chopping the one can, it looks like this. The thing is, it is very good substitute as meat product for vegan people. It tastes like meaty and fleshy, right? Yes. So here is the cardamom with pestle and mortar. I'm going to crush it. To start the filling part of our jackfruit turnover, I'm putting oil first on the top of the fry pan. Now I'm going to fry onion. This is our onion. Our onion is a little translucent. Now I'm going to add all the roasted, this is our garlic. It is soft, so I will just put little pressure on it to mash it and put on the top of the oil. In a couple of minutes, I'm going to just fry it, and after that, I will put all the spices. So all the spices is our ginger. This is our red chili also, and this is our turmeric, ground black pepper, turmeric, and also this is the one is biryani masala. It's like combination of various spices, and this is good cumin. I'm adding chili as well. Right after that, I'm going to add our chopped jackfruit. I showed you before how to chop it. Now it's chopped. Yes. And I'm going to cook for at least 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, this is now the final outcome of our filling inside the turnover. We are going to, this is onion, you can see some. And this is, looks like, and I'm going to show you how to put inside the pastry sheet. So this is our pastry sheet. When taking out from the package, it looks like that. Now I'm going to put it half. Made already, so already half, and this is, I'm going to make it like that. This is our jackfruit filling. This is our jackfruit filling. Okay. Now I'll add some water every side. Turn it like this. Turn it like this and press it. Press the edges. So it's not going to get out the filling. And this is ready. And now I'm going to put a little our ghee, or you can use butter too. This is our ghee. So after 25 minutes, our jackfruit turnover looks like this. Okay, next what the spices we are using for our jackfruit split chickpea curry is this is our 10 parts of roasted peeled garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger that is chopped, and 4 of green chili. I'll chop it, and 10 parts of cardamom. I'll crush it. Okay, so the more spices that we need for our jackfruit chickpea curry is 1 teaspoon of cumin. This is whole cumin, and this is ground cumin. That is also 1 teaspoon. And this is our turmeric, that half teaspoon is enough, or less than that. And then this is our ground black pepper, that half teaspoon. And this is our fenugreek. Fenugreek is half teaspoon, little over half teaspoon. 2 pieces of little cinnamon stick, and 2 bay leaves. And this is our red ground chili. And finally, that one is the middle one. It is biryani masala. You can buy the package Chan biryani masala, and it's 1 teaspoonful. It is combination of all spices. So that's it. Okay, this is came out from can of jackfruit. So young jackfruit. So I am going to cut differently now. It's going to be just like this shape, square shaped or something like that. Not finely chopped. Got it? Okay, so after chopping 1 can of jackfruit, it looks like this. Now I'm putting half of the oil here, and I'll fry shallot. This is your chopped shallot. Chopped shallot until it is golden. Now this is golden brown color. It is done shallot. Yeah. So I will take it out from this, and I'll put all those on top of our jackfruit split chickpea. Okay. Now I'm going to add onion on it. Okay, now I'm adding all those split chickpea which I soaked in water. Now I'm adding all the ginger, green chili, and garlic. Also, I'm going to add all spices. Salt to taste, and also cook our jackfruit. Okay, so I covered after putting warm water. Now after 15 to 16 minutes after, it looks like this. I put a medium heat, not too high, but little higher side of medium. Okay, so now I'm going to add our coconut milk. And also I crushed cardamom. So I'm going to put cardamom. Let's see. So now again I'm going to cover for at least 5 minutes to let it cook with coconut. Okay, so after adding coconut milk and cardamom crushed, I just covered it for 5-6 minutes. Now looks like this. And I will put on top of that bowl the beresta or shallot fry. I'll show you. Okay, so this is our final our curry, jackfruit with split chickpea and coconut, and the consistency is going to be like that, not too soupy or too dry. So on top of that, these are the shallot fried. I'm going to put it, and it will be very good with naan bread and rice.